In this video, I'll show you how to add accessories to a dummy in Roblox Studio. Step 1. Insert a dummy. Open Roblox Studio, go to the View tab and enable the Explorer and Properties panels. Right-click on Workspace, choose Insert Object, then select Rig and pick a dummy, for example, the R15 rig. Step 2. Get an accessory. Open the Toolbox and search for an accessory like a hat or glasses. Drag it into your game. Step 3. Move the accessory into the dummy. In the Explorer, drag the accessory directly into the dummy model. Make sure it's a child of the dummy, not just placed in the workspace. Step 4. Check the attachments. Accessories need specific attachments inside their handle, like a hat attachment. The dummy's head must also have a matching attachment. Roblox uses these to position the accessory correctly. Step 5. Test it. Click Play or Play Here to test the setup. If everything is correct, the accessory will appear in the right place on the dummy. And that's how you easily add accessories to a dummy in Roblox Studio.